What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. We're going to be replacing some weather stripping on this back door. If you like these little fix-it videos, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified when we do more videos. So the dog tore up the right side of our weather stripping, so we got to replace that. The top and the left side are pretty good, so we're going to leave those alone. They're pretty intact. So some of the things you might need are, well, first of all, this thing's going to come out really easy, so you need to try to keep it intact so you can use it to measure off of, because you need to put them right back in that little groove. You might need a measuring tape, a pen or marker, some needle nose pliers, and something to cut the weather stripping with. And here is the corner guards and the weather stripping, and I'll tell you, I'll put those in the description where I bought them from. That little plastic piece is going to run up in the groove on the door. So I just taped these together instead of trying to hold it to measure. So I just measured it off there best I could. It was a little long, but see that little strip goes right in the hole. So just press it in there. It'll wedge in there and it'll be secure. I have to do make a little adjustment on the end. And I got these little corner guards from Frost King. I'll put them in the description, but they're a little adhesive, so they stick to it pretty well. There's that little gap in the bottom, so we're going to go ahead and seal that gap, so I don't want anything getting inside. And these did the trick quite well, so there's no more gap down below. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, hit the like button for us, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.